Hi guys, Hortensia here. Welcome back and welcome to a new video. Welcome to a different setting for the unboxing videos. I'm just trying around and seeing what works best for me. So welcome to a new video. This week we are unboxing the Nike ZoomX Vista or Vinda or sorry, but this name is way too long for me. I have tried to memorize it, but I still can't get it right. So we are unboxing the Nike ZoomX Vista Grind, and I have seen these last year quite a lot on Instagram. Not that much, but I've seen different pics of them and I wanted to try them on. I've got them for like 2 or 3 months now, but I haven't worn them yet. I'm waiting for the spring and summer seasons. So spring is coming, so that's why I'm doing the unboxing now, so that if you think about buying them, you can see what they look like on fit. You can see how you can maybe style them, and that's why I'm doing this unboxing today. They come in different colors. You really have different colors. They come in this classic red Nike, this side Nike box, the classic one. You have the name on the box as you usually have, and I've got them in size 9. That's actually 40 and a half for Europe, and then UK 6.5. So they come in this classic red box. When you open the box, they are packaged in this classic white paper, and the color I chose is let me just check the box and then tell you the right name, because since you have different color combinations, different textures, it's really difficult to get the name right. So I got them in the color Fossil Tone Sail Hyper Blue. I guess that the fossil tone is this kind of light pink blue that you have on the mesh detail, and then the blue is on the plastic details. You have the blue details as well on the top, and yeah, this is what they look like. You actually have the Nike Zoom Vista Lite, and the only difference I can see, since I haven't have them in hands, the only difference or big difference that you have between the two of these is the fact that you have these little details here on the sole that you don't have on the Nike Zoom Vista Lite. I would say that they are true to size. I got them in 40 and a half. Usually, or sometimes, Nikes in my size are a little bit too tight or too small for my feet, and I have to size up to get the right size. But this time around, they are actually really true to size. They are comfortable. They are platform. It's not the classic platform sole that you usually have, since you have all this futuristic detail on the sole, but they are definitely platform. You have like a solid 6-7 platform on this one. On the back, on the front it's a little bit lighter, but on the back you definitely have like a 6-7 centimeters platform. They are definitely platform shoes. They are actually quite comfy. I don't know how you call this. The sole is actually a little bit similar to the Adidas Boost sole. It's actually really comfortable. I think I haven't spent a whole day in them, but I think that you can actually spend a whole day in these and still still feel comfortable. They are really comfy. I would say that the first time I saw them, I really thought that they were way too big. They were going to look way too big on my feet, and I wasn't sure about liking them, but I've had them now on feet and I actually like them. It's just something different. You have to get used to it for like 1 or 2 hours, and then if you like the design, you're just going to get used to it and feel comfortable in them. So when we are talking about materials, it's actually like the top is completely made of mesh. I think that in other colors you have them see-through as well. It depends on the color you choose or on the material you choose. You can have them see-through or have them in this kind of mesh material that I have on mine, but mine are definitely not see-through. They are not see-through. So but like I said, I really like the design. It's just really something different. I hope I will be able to wear them soon. And yeah, I've talked about the sizing, I've talked about the materials and the fact that they are really comfortable. I really don't have that much to say about them, so I'm just going to say that if you want to get them in your size. I feel like they are true to size. Like, tell me in the comments if you have had them and you feel like they are not true to size, for example. But I feel like they are true to size. I can't wait to style them. And you have so many different color combinations that I feel like you will find something that matches your style for sure. You can go all white or go a little bit more bold when it comes to colors, and you have a whole range of colors when it comes to these. So just feel free to try and see what works for you. So when it comes to my outfit suggestion for this video, I'm going to say that I went for something really simple and went for something that you can probably wear right now or for the upcoming spring season. Since we are not going anywhere, I wanted to do something really comfortable. We are all wearing like comfy outfits when we are not going to work. If you are still going to work, wearing comfy outfits, and then we are probably wearing like boots or sneakers just to chill or go grocery shopping or something. So that's why I wanted to do something really simple. For my outfit suggestions, I am wearing this dress that I'm wearing right now in this beige color. I'm wearing the same hat, the same accessories, and I added this simple trench coat that I like, that you have probably seen already. But it's just a simple outfit that you can wear right now if you are already in the spring season, or if the spring season is coming where you are living. And I just wore them with the sneakers, and I feel like it's a really simple outfit, a go-to outfit when you just want to look chic with your sneakers without doing too much effort. You can switch the trench coat and then wear a blazer instead, or just wear a long camel coat instead if you want to. It's a really, I feel like a dress like this one is a really good base for multiple outfits you can make. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope I helped a little bit when it comes to seeing these on fit and not knowing what to do with this completely different design. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you liked the video and you want to see more of these. Don't forget to find me on Instagram when I post a little bit more, or I post daily or almost daily. And see you next time. Bye.